Cleaning of the fat separator. This should be checked at every service, and this procedure should be done at every third service or 18 months interval. We must check inside the fat separator tower and see how much build-up and debris there is in there. This is a relatively new machine, so we don't see any fat build-up at all. At the moment, the oven is in its normal functioning position as if it would be running in the deli. So we have water on the inside of the weir, and on the other side of the weir we don't have any water at all. During normal function and operation, the water spills from this side over this weir and down to the tongue dish. What we are checking for is fat build-up, particularly at the very bottom of the tank. If we look at this drawing, a simple cross section of the fat separator tank, we can talk about the areas that need cleaning. In the last video we were looking from the top down to this knife edge of the weir. During the normal running during the day, water from inside the tank here goes beneath this edge, over this weir and off to the tongue dish. It's this area here that gets clogged with fat. So this is the area that we will need to clean using the floor cleaning hose. We will need to drain the fat separator. To do this, tap on Settings. Then tap on Diagnostics. Come down to the separator valve section here. Tap on Drain. This will empty all the fluid out of the fat separator. As we can see, the fat separator tank is now completely empty. There is no fluid on either side. So we can now get the floor cleaning hose and clean off all these walls down to, and we want to clean off completely the bottom edge along here. We'll need to flush this for quite a considerable amount of time to get all the debris to come out and flow down the drain. It is important to use the Technobait cleaning tool to clean the fat exit weir. Run the tool down on the inside and clean all the surfaces leading up to the fat weir. For fat separators that are more severely blocked, it is easy to undo this pipework, the triclover fitting, and actually remove the motor actuated three-way valve. We can then get in and clean all the ports out. We have removed the three-way valve. No matter how long we leave the tank drained for, there will always be a residual amount in the bottom of the tank. That will come out of this port here. So use the black tray from the oven to catch any of the fat and debris that comes out of this port. With the three-way valve off, we can clean down through all of the ports and orifices of the valve. Take the floor cleaning hose and blast down through the top of the tank. That will get a lot of the debris out of this port here. You can also blast through this port here, fill a certain amount into the tank and let it rush back out. All this must be captured in the black tray so it doesn't go all over the floor. Once all these parts have been cleaned, reassemble them back to the fat separator. Then, as previously shown in diagnostics, put more water into the tank so it can be leak tested, ensuring that there are no leaks in the system.